Let's do this quadratic application number 2. We're given two adjacent triangle cells. They're both right triangles. The hypotenuse, which is always the side opposite the right angle, the 90-degree angle, is going to be 10 feet long, and one leg is 2 feet shorter than the other leg. They want us to find the length of the two legs of the lower triangle. So I drew the picture here. Here's a right triangle, and here's the adjacent right triangle. The hypotenuse of the lower right triangle, the side opposite the 90-degree angle, is 10 feet. They said one leg is 2 feet shorter than the other, so we'll name this leg X, and we'll name this one X minus 2. Now, we are seeking the X and the X minus 2 in the lower triangle because that's what they asked for. We're going to use Pythagorean theorem, which says leg squared in a right triangle plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. In this picture, for the lower right triangle, we have X squared plus parenthesis X minus 2 squared equals 10 squared. So that's X squared plus, square X minus 2 times X minus 2. You have to FOIL it. You can't not distribute the second power. That's illegal. You have to FOIL it. X minus 2 times X minus 2. FOIL that and get X squared. Minus 4X plus 4 equals the other side. 10 squared is 100. Subtract 100 from both sides and we get, let's see, X squared plus X squared gave us 2X squared minus the 4X, and then minus 96 equals 0. We're going to simplify first before we try to factor by dividing both sides by 2, since that'll give us nice whole numbers on the left side. X squared minus 2X minus 48 equals 0. Now, I just factored by guessing. This was an easy one. X plus 6 times X minus 8 equals 0. And now we set each of our factors equal to 0 with the union symbol in between, and we solve. This one gave us a negative answer, which is unacceptable because we're measuring a distance. This one gave us a positive answer. That's a good answer. So you recall what we're searching for? We're searching for the X and the X minus 2, and we know X is 8, so the answer is X equals 8 feet, X minus 2 equals 6 feet.